Good morning, Avery.
Good morning.
What else do we have? Oh my. Well, here we are. Today we're gonna go try to hit up a national park. Luckily, Adalia's in 4th grade. We got a free pass. Pretty cool. There's me. It's not too early. It's almost 8 o'clock, I'd say. We'll have some fun. All right. Hello, Port Angeles, McDonald's. My stop before National Park, I'm guessing. You guys good?
Yeah.
All right. We're getting close. You guys ready?
Yeah.
So we just got done at the ranger station, and Dahlia got her own pass for 4th grade.
Got us in.
She got us in. Based on her age and class, she's a 4th grader, and they have a deal where they get to get in, which is awesome. So, Hurricane Ridge. I don't know that we'll be able to see much today. What do you think, guys?
Oh my gosh.
We just parked.
Hey guys, we can walk
Hi.
down those mountains.
Oh my.
We can.
Yeah, you got it.
No. This is in the sweat.
This is Adam.
I thought I brought my blue and yellow one. This
It
is
fits
Eric.
you, though.
I
It's a little
just-
short. It's quite green and lush.
Why are you standing like this? Why does standing
Oh, where are you going?
Oh, Mom.
Standing right
Mama.
here. The picture.
Illegal.
So I'm not so
It's
tall.
not illegal.
All right, let's make our way.
And if you roll down, you see where you'll roll? You just keep rolling and we'll never find you over again.
Come.
I want to look at this thing.
Glacier lily.
Oh, this is the little one, Dad. Can you even read it?
It's called the broadleaf lupin. It's a pretty flower.
Fuzzy things.
American Vistor. These little guys.
There's one more, Daddy. Daddy, it's over here, right here.
It says closed. Stay on the trail.
Wait,
Yeah, look, Aaron, there's a snow patch right
oh
here.
yeah, there's the snow. Whoa, there's snow.
It's neat, huh?
Daddy, look at that tree thing. Daddy, look, I can see a swan up there. I
A
can see
swan?
like a duck.
Tree survival. Mountain hemlock. They have hemlock trees.
Daddy, look how high we are now.
Pretty getting up there,
Are
huh?
you super scared?
No.
Me either. I'm not scared. Oh, I want a memento.
What do you need it for?
A memento. We're above the
But- Well, you guys might get to see the marmot today, huh?
The bear? But what if it comes walking on this road and it sees us? He's like,
Maybe.
I don't want to see the bear.
Got it. Oh boy.
Look at that path.
Avery, yay! Mama nervous.
Oh, you did.
Here, follow me. Okay.
I can't take it anymore. I need to go down.
We'll go down. There she is. That Avery girl. This is what I'm calling lunch in the clouds. A whole mountain there. Guys, how's our snap stop?
Find the tattoo, just put
It's
on.
good?
We're gonna do tongue tattoos.
Tongue tattoo. Oh boy. What I was hoping we would do on this trip. Oh my. Oh geez, litter.
I'm not littering. Just drop stuff. Okay.
Daddy.
Which one am I gonna go with? I'm gonna go with this one because it's the most clear. Oh, huh? Just figure it out.
Oh yeah.
I see it.
Really?
Oh, okay.
There?
Wow, that was.
Oh yeah, there's an
Can
eye.
I see?
Oh,
I want to
creepy.
go down. Oh my god!
I guess it works. Hurricane Rage. Come get a tongue tattoo.
You have to show Avery.
Avery's in the car.
Yeah, just-
It's a big full box. Cheesy. Original.
Avery, I got a tongue tattoo.
Hey, Marine Animal Center. Nice hat, by the way.
Oh my gosh, look at that deer.
Oh boy, you got him.
Mom, look.
Venus Creek.
I just touched one of them. When we were at the dock, I just touched one of them. They're little mini fishes.
And
They're starfish.
steps too.
The sea urchin hud. I got my finger. Rope fish. Oh my. Hello, sir. Oh, those are neat sea pen.
Hi guys. I know you tried this one. I'm not too sure about this. What is this? What? It disappeared. I didn't even touch it. I didn't.
No.
It's like, it was kind of slimy. When it touched
We're at Goodwill, as all good trips end. And the kids are probably finding a toy or something to play with. We'll head home.